So I'm back in Loxley, Alabama. Picking up a load of ingots again. Going back up to Kentucky. It's pretty quiet here today. It's not quite 12 noon yet. So I'm just waiting for my chance to get loaded. And like I say, heading on back up to Kentucky. I had an inspection today, but it went good though. First I was a little worried, but like I say, it went good. Sometimes it seems like they be ignoring you. Like they'll keep doing what they doing before they come and start loading you up. But, oh well, that's just how it is. I usually throw straps on, but today I just decided to throw a chain. I saw another guy. He had a chain across heels and across the front to prevent forward motion. So I just thought I'd, throw a chain on mine.
That's right. I appreciate y'all for watching. Now I just gotta go and go get my paperwork, you know, and check out. And that's it. We're headed to Kentucky. Thank y'all for watching. Please leave me a comment. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button for me. I appreciate it. All right, so I made a stop just to make me a cup of coffee. I decided I'd go ahead and check out the load as well. But everything is good. I'm in Conecuh, Alabama. Conecuh, Alabama. I guess that's pronounced Conecuh. I don't know. But anyways, though, yeah. Everything good. Just thought I'd walk around the load right quick. I got my coffee pot in the truck. It's making right now. But that was Loxley, Alabama, where I was at when I was getting loaded. But yeah, everything good though. About it. All right, so let me check my coffee. It should be about ready. Let me get on back down the road. So I'm almost done with my day now. I just had to stop, you know, real quick because I was about to run out of time. I had to stop and take my 30-minute break. But I'm just for to get ready to go right on up the road and go ahead and shut down. But yeah, my break is almost up. I probably got about anywhere between 10 to 13 more minutes. And I can go ahead and go up the road about, I think, a little less than 5 miles or 10 miles. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down. I got my triangles out just so, you know, in case the police ride by, maybe they won't mess with me, because right here on this ramp, it does say no parking. But like I say, I had to hurry up and find somewhere to park just so I can get that 30-minute break out the way. But as soon as this break is over with, like I said, I'm gonna head up the road. It's 2 truck stops up there, little small truck stops. I'm gonna, you know, figure out which one I wanna stop at and go ahead and shut down for the night.